Hey guys, I just wanted to update you now that I've done a slower sort of the papers and photographs that I found in that 1947 trailer. I wanted to show you some of this stuff. It looks like at 49, Hulda was 5 foot 8 inches and 160 pounds. So she was pretty tall. Found some department store keys, dog licenses, a bunch of spiritual stuff, a bunch of stuff on healing. Really interesting things. The oldest thing, for sure, because it's got personal handwriting, was the 1901 book right there. But there's also an 1896 book, and I don't know if that's the copyright or the print date. That purple book there is a Bible. It's like purple velvet. It's going to be interesting to go through more details. From the little snippets of letters that I was skimming through, sadly it looks like Hulda's husband Will was really sick for a while and died a year after they got the trailer. So just a little bit of encouragement this fine weekend. If you are dreaming of an adventure, go do it. Don't wait. All right, I'm gonna keep reading through these and I'll probably write a blog that tells more of her story. So, a little more of Hulda and her 1947 trailer finds.